For today's video, I'd like to present you with a very simple model to measure engagement. And the reason why I'm doing so, because I see it's become all too common to over-measure various aspects, including engagement, by using different bits of software in order to eventually generate as many analytics as possible, so you have a nice dashboard that won't get you anywhere. And the best reason why I say this is Google's Project Aristotle in 2011, when they tried the same thing with a few hundreds of their teams, which they basically employed researchers to measure as many analytics as possible about their employees in order to get a mathematical model as to what drives team's performance, only to find out 3 years later that it's not about measuring analytics, not about the over measuring things, but it's more about behaviors. So behaviors are the ones that drive team performance. So if we make a parallel with that context for measuring engagement, my point is that it's not about employing as much software as possible and being as intrusive as possible within employees' lives that will drive engagement, but it's exactly the opposite, that is to build a conversation about it. And I would like to also give an example here that NASA uses that I've discovered in 2016. They basically ask each of their employees to rate their leader's lead, about their managers, and finally about how the employee feels about their work environment. And there are 4 main questions for each of these sections, which then they average into an overall index, which in this case is quite high for a government agency. So hopefully this quick video gave you some interesting bits of information as to how can you probably go about measuring engagement the next time you do it within your organization. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe if you find it interesting.